welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that before you leave though, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime headband wig, and I did get this unit from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. It is their Kinky Straight Headband 18-inch 150% density hair. Woo! I'm glad I remembered all that, because you won't believe how many times I had to look and see what the specs were. Like, mommy brain. So right off bat, y'all, this is giving me like real natural blowout vibes, okay? Like, honey, look at that. Now this is human hair, so you can do as you please with her, but it's like, what's the point? Like, she's supposed to be big and kinky. Like, why bother her? Leave her alone. She's okay. She's perfect. This hair is a super soft. Like, I'm actually really digging this big hair, y'all. Like, no lie. Like, I'm gonna put all the hair to the front. So this is all of the hair to the front right here. And yeah, got a little bit of kinks back there, little curls. Like, honey, she's giving me all the vibes right now, okay? I love it. Y'all know I love me some big hair, and she is the perfect amount of big hair. Not too big, but not too little. Cause we don't like them little. Now, as you saw, this headband wig did come with 2 combs. You got one here and you got one in the back, and it also came with adjustable straps. I would definitely say that it is big head friendly. I do have mine on the last adjustable strap because I like for a more fitted. I don't want her to move. I don't want her going anywhere. So I always put it on the last one. And she fits really nice. Like, the hair is super big, super kinky, and super straight at the same time. Like, I love it. If you are one of those people who are into really big hair, sis, this is the unit for you, okay? Get into her, okay? I haven't done a kinky headband unit, so I'm super excited about this one. And yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, you already know I got you. I'm going to leave that link down below so that way you can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.